Welcome. In this video I will tell you if your LENOVO Ideapad C340 has a camera. So the quick answer is yes, it does have a camera, and it's located on top of your screen right here. It's an HD camera, so it records in up to 720p quality, and it also has a manual privacy shutter on top of it. So if you want to start using your camera, you actually have to slide it to the right, so that your camera turns black, as you could have hopefully seen on the video. Before you slide this shutter, your camera is red color, which means that it's shuttered and you can't see through it. They added this thing because of privacy matters, but generally just slide it to the right, and this way you will be able to use it during a conversation on a webcam, or just recording a video. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.